get the peak and the separation of the water. The long head is what gives you that snow cone. Right here, that's all.
Let's see that one more time. See that one more time.
That's long head behind the head. See?
That's the head. That's the head behind the head.
Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. Today I'm on my way to the LA Fit Expo, and in this video I link up with my boy Chris Jones. The last time I seen him with the Arnold Classic, so it was really good to catch up with homie. We're gonna show you a few things in this video. I asked him a good question on how to get that peak, and he's gonna explain in this video how you do so. Not only that, really looking forward to later on this year when I go out to Texas to link up and collab with my boy. It's really important to really network and just keep positive people around you. In this video, he's one of the positive dudes. So guys, on to the video. Let's get it.
Alright, so we're gonna get a pro tip right now. How do you get the biceps peaks like that?
It's all, see, I'm not one of these guys who's like, it's all about the form and not about the way you hit guys and big guys. It's not about the way, it's about the form.
The 5-pound weights and then like squeeze slowly.
But I will say, after you do your heavy stuff, throw in the cable work to get the separation in the beat. Okay. You know, like you got to do shit where you fall in the top. All the time. You want to set some more cable. Yeah, to really get the peak and the separation of the water. The long head is what gives you that snow cone. Right here, that's all.
Let's see that one more time. See that one more time.
That's long head behind the head. See?
That's the head. That's the head behind the head.
Long head work is slow, rope hammer curls, or lean back if you're coming. I like to cheat, so I make sure I lean back and make my arms work. You know, and of course, reverse
the lower back. So most of the time they're doing this with light weights and bullshit. We want to have more of that concentration and more of that focus.
Quality work. I like to have density work and quality. And I do think if the cheat curls and stuff is good with density. Like, for the biggest guy with the biggest arms, we doing this stuff. They got big ass arms. You know what I mean? They do my head and weight at the end of the day. They're not beautiful and sculpted and shaped. They're just big slabs of arms. They're not hands.
I can say I came through Columbus, Ohio. Dude was still ripped, but seeing you today, dude. Don't see the come on now. See, I have to pick it up. But this ain't shit.
Like a slab, it's a slab. He's got to use it for some shit. Haircut done, waves. He's trying to be on TV.
I had to bring it back. Last night I see me in my Columbus, Ohio. I had the hat on. I was like, yo, I gotta bring the wigs back, man. I gotta bring the wigs back.
They make a comeback, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. You know that nighttime.
Good, man. You talk about city. You talk about comeback. People like 30 minutes from now. Why not?
That's good. That's where the respect comes from, because a lot of the guys in the industry, they all act like they're trying to help. I'm trying to help people. I'm trying to spread love. When you have other guys that are trying to do the same thing, they act like they're better than you. I'm not going to do work with you. I'm not going to collab with you. I'm not going to do any, certain things with you. When they act like they're too better for you. But right here, said through his mouth, this is much respect, man.
There's enough for everybody. Like, at the end of the day, I couldn't train 1,000 months if I wanted to. You know what I mean? Like, there's enough for you as a trainer or influencer to build your community. There's enough for me to get mine. I'm not trying to monopolize social media. You know what I mean? I've been trying to make a good living for myself doing what I like to do.
Yeah. The thing is, when you're confident in yourself and you have your spot, a lot of guys, they're more afraid of putting you on because they think that you're going to take what's that. But if they're that good, it's enough to go around. They don't have to worry about taking your spot because your spot's already done.
People can watch you and me. They're going to watch me for their own reasons. They didn't like camaraderie. I came up in YouTube before jealousy came in. When I first was when I came in 2012, 13, you would see other YouTubers fight each other, you know, but you already see that. It's kind of like flex, and they kind of do their own thing. I still have that mentality of wanting to come together. Not everybody's true.
Yeah, it's definitely changed, especially like I said in the past 2 years. The industry has definitely changed. Everybody, it's more like, it's all about me, it's all about me. I'll do a video with you, but I'm not going to put you on my channel because I don't want to give you my following. You can put me on yours because you're putting me on, but I don't want to put you on mine because it's like,
guy, man. I want everybody to eat, man. Everybody to eat. At the end of the day, bro, you coming up, being a multi-millionaire ain't going to stop me from making mine. You know, I never understood it.
It's intimidation and jealousy also. It's insecurity that